A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning, and this is Advocate Sabira Mistry. In today's lecture, we are going to cover the most important current affair questions from the 6th of June. Our session usually consists of 10 to 15 questions from specific Maharashtra, India, and international news. And if any previous year questions have been asked on the topic which we are covering, we'll be talking about that as well. So let's start with the lecture. First news is appointment of Central Vigilance Commissioner. A new appointment has taken place, so we need to know what is the name of the person. The name of the person is Praveen Kumar Srivastava. So Praveen Kumar Srivastava has been appointed as the Central Vigilance Commissioner. Now if we see CVC, that is Central Vigilance Commission, from polity perspective, we need to know that when was this commission set up. So this commission was set up in 1964. Under the recommendation of which committee? Under the recommendation of K. Santanam committee. And if we see composition, कितने होते हैं commissioners? Here it is not more than 2. अपॉइंटमेंट कौन करता है? सीवीसी का अपॉइंटमेंट करते हैं प्रेसिडेंट. एंड रिकमेंडिंग कमिटी, लाइक विच कमिटी रिकमेंड्स कि अभी इसके बाद कौन बनेंगे कमिश्नर. सो दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ होम अफेयर्स, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ऑफ लोकसभा. सो 3 ऑफ देम. एंड द टेन्योर कितना होता है इनका टेन्योर होता है 4 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. A question on this on CVC from the static or polity part has already been asked in the paper in regards to when was it set up, under which committee, and who is the recommending committee for them. So please keep these points also in your mind. Next news, 57 Gyanpith Award. See, this is a very important award. ज्ञानपीठ हो गया, आपका साहित्य अकेडमी हो गया, ये सब अवार्ड्स, बुकर प्राइज, इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज, all of these awards are extremely important. What is the name of the person who has received the award? The name of the person is Damodar Mauzo, and in 1983 he has already won a Sahitya Academy Award. Here they can ask you for which novel. So the novel is Carmeline, and he is the second Goan author to receive this award. Now if we see certain important points from Gyanpith Award, Gyanpith Award is the oldest and the highest literary award. In which year was this instituted? It was instituted in the year 1961. And ये point काफी important हो जाता है कि इनका sponsor कौन करता है. Who sponsors the Gyanpith Award? It is Bharatiya Gyanpith Organization, which is a cultural organization. A question on this has been asked in MPSC कि Gyanpith Award का sponsor कौन करता है. And if we see who was the first winner, if I ask you, it is G.K. Shankar. And if I ask you first female winner कौन थे, तो वो थे आशापूर्णा देवी. These are certain points which you must keep in your mind from Gyanpith Award perspective. The next news, zero carbon emission of public transportation. So Dubai recently has set goals for zero carbon emission of public transportation by which year? By the year 2050. Now on this news, question can be asked in 2 ways, like name the country which has recently set goals for zero carbon emission till 2050. तो तभी आपका आंसर होगा दुबई. And they can also ask you Dubai has set goals for zero carbon emission of public transportation by which year? So तभी 2050. So these 2 points are important, that is Dubai and 2050. Next news is IPL 2023 winner. तो recently आपका IPL हुआ है, तो कौन जीता है इसमें? So the winning team is चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स. और रनर अप कौन थे? रनर अप थे गुजरात टाइटंस. और कौन सा एडिशन था ये एडिशन था आपका 16th एडिशन. आई विल कंडक्ट अ लेक्चर इन डेप्थ इन रिगार्ड्स टू आईपीएल बिकॉज नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम आर स्पोर्ट्स एंथुसियास्ट. तो फिर वो एक ही जगह पे वो लेक्चर रहेगा, आप सिर्फ वो जाके देख लोगे, दैट विल बी सफिशिएंट फॉर योर पेपर. उसके आगे आपको कुछ ज्यादा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. नेक्स्ट वन, उड़ान स्कीम. Whenever we study scheme, we need to know by which ministry has this scheme been launched. And second important point है कि ये scheme का aim क्या है. So firstly, if we see, उड़ान स्कीम, उड़ान से आपको क्या एक पिक्चर बनता है दिमाग में? इट इज समथिंग इन रिगार्ड्स टू फ्लाइंग एरोप्लेन, सो इट इज बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन. फुल फॉर्म, Here if we see उड़ान is the short form है तो हमें उसका full form पता करना है. So the full form is उड़े देश का आम नागरिक. And if we see the aim, what is the aim? Why was this scheme launched? This scheme was launched to develop smaller regional airports to allow common citizens have easier access to aviation services. So these 3 points are important. Next one, World Milk Day. हम वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे कभी मनाते हैं? वो हम मनाते हैं 1 जून को. व्हाट इज द एम? व्हाई इज दिस डे सेलिब्रेटेड? इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस ऑफ हाउ डेयरी प्रोवाइड्स न्यूट्रिशन. व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे? इट इज एंजॉय डेयरी. And when was this started? This was started in the year 2001 by FAO. What is the full form of FAO? The full form of FAO is Food and Agriculture Organization. See, आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है in regards to headquarters of FAO, because MPSC has asked question that where is the headquarter of FAO. So it is Rome in Italy. So these are certain important points which you must keep in your mind. Monaco Grand Prix 2023 हुआ recently. So here we need to know who was the winner of the Grand Prix. It is Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen is the winner of the Monaco Grand Prix 2023. Next news is 59th death anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. First we need to know हम death anniversary मनाते कब है इनका? हम death anniversary 27 मई को मनाते हैं. And some important points from modern history perspective. He was the first prime minister of independent India. Okay, and this year 59th death anniversary था उनका. So here you need to keep in your mind कि what was कितना हुआ था? So it was 59th. When is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's death anniversary? It is on the 27th May. And from modern history perspective, he was the first prime minister of independent India. These 3 points are important. Next news, again one appointment about Director General of World Health Organization. Whenever there is appointment, we need to know his name. So his name is Tedros Adhanom. You need to keep this name in your mind. And if you see World Health Organization, that is WHO. So when was it founded or when was it established? It was established on 7th April 1948. And इनके headquarters कहाँ है? इनके headquarters है Geneva in Switzerland. This is a very important news from Maharashtra perspective. Like this is Maharashtra special news. Okay. So recently, Ahmednagar district has been renamed. What is the new name of the district now? The new name of the district is Ahilyabai Holkar Nagar. Here I mentioned it. Now certain important points about Ahilyabai Holkar. इस पे भी question आ सकते हैं that Ahilyabai Holkar was the 18th century queen of Maratha Empire. Alright, and birth, इनका birth कहाँ हुआ था? Chondi village, which is currently in Ahmednagar, on the date of 31st May 1725, and she established Maheshwar as the seat of Holkar dynasty. Where is Maheshwar? Maheshwar is in Madhya Pradesh. Now if we see certain points like as revision कि recently इनका नाम बदला गया, that is of rename. So Rajpath has been renamed to what? Rajpath has been renamed to Kartavya Path. Okay. Mughal Garden, which is at Delhi, has been renamed to Amrit Udyan. These 2 districts are from Maharashtra. Osmanabad का नया नाम क्या है? Osmanabad का नया नाम है Dharashiv. And if I say Aurangabad, what is the new name of Aurangabad district? It is Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. So these 4 points are also important. Next news is Telangana Formation Day. When was Telangana state formed? It was formed on the 2nd of June. And when was it separated from Andhra Pradesh? because if a new state is formed, मतलब कहीं से separate हुआ है, so it has been separated from Andhra Pradesh. In which year? In the year of 2014, and that time Telangana became the 29th state of India. So you need to keep these 3 points in your mind. Next news, Managing Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. Here we need to know appointment है, इनका नाम क्या है? Ajay Yadav. So Ajay Yadav has become the Managing Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. When was it established? It was established in 2011. Under which ministry? It has been established under the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Now if we see from revision perspective, जो अभी recent appointments हुए हैं, so firstly you have got Central Vigilance Commissioner. We just studied, it is Praveen Kumar Srivastava. Who is the new Director General of CBI? The new Director General of CBI is Praveen Sood. And the UPSC chairman, recently उनकी भी appointment हुई है. So who is the UPSC chairman now? It is Manoj Soni ji, and he is the 33rd chairman of UPSC. So with this, if you have not seen the May monthly current affairs session, it is already on the channel. मैंने पूरे महीने का in a concise way I have uploaded it, so you all can go watch that. उसमें मैंने ये सब already cover कर रखा है. Next news is World Bicycle Day. When do we celebrate World Bicycle Day? We celebrate it on 3rd of June. And the theme of World Bicycle Day is Riding Together for the Sustainable Future. You need to keep these 2 points in your mind. Next one, this day is very important. हमेशा इस पे question आते हैं. Here they can ask you day, on which date is it celebrated, or they can ask you what is the theme. These 2 points are extremely important on World Environment Day. So when do we celebrate World Environment Day? We celebrated it on the 5th of June. And what is the theme? ये 2023 year का theme क्या है? So theme है Solutions to Plastic Pollution. These points are important. Gender inclusive tourism policy. This is the last news for the day. So recently Maharashtra government has adopted a general inclusive tourism policy. So ये policy का नाम क्या है? Firstly, the policy's name is IE. And like over here I've mentioned, state is Maharashtra. तो ये policy adopt कौन सी state ने की है? This question can also be asked. It is the state of Maharashtra. And what is the aim? The aim is to empower women in tourism industry, and with this tourism policy they will create an approximate of 1 lakh employment. Here do let me know, when is Women's Day celebrated? And also whenever Maharashtra specific news or any Maharashtra specific issue has been in news, that point is extremely important from your exam perspective, because you are preparing for MPSC exam. तो इनका focus ज़्यादा Maharashtra issues पे होता है. Okay, so please keep these points in your mind. I hope you have liked today's lecture, and if you have any constructive suggestion, demands or doubts,